Go ahead. You want to do it?
Uh-oh, Dada beard all gone.
Uh-oh.
You see? All gone.
You see?
Now let's see what Dada can do.
You want to do it on this side now? You have way too much energy, buddy. I was expecting a lot more hesitation.
He's excited to help.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Dada beard all gone, Ollie.
See Dada's hair going away?
Go away.
It's going away. Actually, you know what?
Uh-oh. I knew you were gonna do that.
Hey kids. No one's getting above a B on this semester's final.
Oh no.
Now here, son, I think now's an important time that you and I discuss something specifics about life. Specifically, never sign up to do any kind of charity that involves the utter destruction of your body. Don't do that. What do you think, boy? Oh, I think you're ready, boy. Actually, low-key, can I keep this for tonight?
This is the only time he's ever seen me without facial hair. All right, Alistair. Look at the camera. It's time to smile.